Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, October 13th. Time is around 6:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Wanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and the idea is that the Nasdaq finished a wave 3 right here, wave 3 in the higher degree, and that we are currently working on a corrective structure. So a corrective structure to make this wave 4 low, and so actually this here is the wave 4 area, quite a big area, and so it could be that our wave 4 is in right here, because at this point here we have a mature correction down, WXY structure. We were supposed to go into this area. That did not happen. The other indices reached their area. The NASDAQ returned here above this area, but that's okay. Sometimes this happens. And so WXY structure, wave 4 could be in, but this wave 4 area is actually quite big. And so if we look at like this move right here, it would not be so surprising that we just go a bit deeper into this wave area. And if we have to go deeper into this wave area, then for me the logical path would be that this WXY structure was just part of a bigger WXY structure indicated here in red. And then, what we have so far, then here the wave W would only be the first corrective leg. It would mean that we have now a wave X, and then another 3 waves should follow to make this wave Y down. And so if this plays out the scenario in red, then we reached the wave X area here, which is the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So this is an area from where we can return if the WXY scenario in red is playing out. However, if the low is in right here as a wave 4, then we should see an impulse up, because it would mean we have to start our wave 5 here. If the wave 4 is in, we have to start the wave 5, and the wave 5 is an impulsive structure. So actually we can all bring it down to what do we get here, a corrective structure or an impulsive structure? Like, this is the first decision we should make, and therefore we go to the lower time frame, to the 1 hour. And in my opinion, what we have so far is only 3 waves, not 5 waves. For me, it looks like they try to engineer here something that looks like 5 waves, but in my system, this is still 3 waves instead of 5 waves. So I would say that here now we reached an important area, the wave 4 area. I think when I made the video yesterday that my count was like this, but of course during the day I update my charts depending on the additional data we get. And so I actually believe we should do the count like this right now. This was only a wave 3 up. So far we have 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, which can also be A, B, C. So this should make you alert in the sense that we have 3 waves up, corrective move into our wave X area, corrective area. So that could mean that we can actually come down from here. And if we come down from here as a wave X, then this low will not hold, does not need to hold. It does not mean that we have to crush it in a straight line, but probably a bit before the low, like somewhere here, we will do like something like this, down, then up, then down, and take it out like this. But yeah, if this is corrective and this is our wave X here, then we will take out this low. It means that we need another 3 waves down as a wave Y. And so for the bullish case, what we really need to see today, or maybe also on Monday, or the beginning of next week, is that we hold this area and we get our fifth wave. So now we are in the wave 4 area. So if we take the length of our wave 3 here, then this area between the 0.236 and the 0.618 fib retracement is the wave 4 area. As you can see, yesterday we touched it and we had a move up from here. But yeah, that does not mean that that the wave 4 is in. Like we can do another leg down as a wave 4 into this area. This is definitely possible. So yeah, if this plays out, okay, we can see a bit more downside, but then from this area here, we need our fifth wave up. If this fifth wave is not coming, then yeah, then I would prepare for more downside. Then I think they engineered here something that looks like 5 waves, but for me this is not 5 waves. And then yeah, this can actually be a nice trap. Then everybody wants to buy the pullback from here against this low, but then eventually we will just take out this low and continue our journey downwards. However, yeah, it's still a bit too early to talk about this. We should first see what will happen here. If we would make this fifth wave, yeah, then I would be quite confident that the low here will hold, that we get a pullback, that this low holds, and then that we are ready for more upside. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.